So I'm out here working on this huge excavator. Look at this. You guys want to see something cool? I just installed an GPS with kill switch system on this piece of equipment here. I'm on the testing app. I could go here, and where it says test ignition disable, go ahead and send that signal. As you guys can see, it is running, and you guys can hear that it's running. Here shortly, the machine will shut off, and you could do this remotely from a computer, a cell phone, especially whenever machines like this are left out at the work sites over the weekend or overnight. I do a lot of these in Houston. As you can see right there, the machine is off. Ignition's still on, but it did turn off. You see that? Pretty cool, huh?